Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner from Inte.Team. Guys, I've got quite an interesting PC which I'm working on. This is a Gigabyte Z390 motherboard with the BIOS. It actually has two BIOSes. And the problem is that customer wanted to upgrade to Windows 11. So he went to BIOS and started to make changes to relevant sections in the BIOS. And then the computer stopped booting. So he tried everything, remove the battery, reset the BIOS, etc. You know, like whatever he could, he would. And he did. That's a backup BIOS chip. The original one is on the computer and it's working back again. So what I have done is I've used our SFOT4 programmer, yes. Now I've used the programmer to take out the data from the chip. I've then use special software from one guy which you can't buy online as the software to fix BIOSes in laptops and PCs, and then I've on the subscription, and then that software fixed it. Yes, so I've uploaded the output of the file to the folder and upload it to the chip, to the main chip, because there is BIOS M, which is main, and BIOS B as a backup. Now what have happened was that I was happy, you know, like I've seen, wow, picture is there, okay, happy days, I can help the customer. Okay, so I said to my apprentice, put everything back together, yes, but let's start off the battery to see, because I want to see if the battery will be fine and we can save the BIOS, then we'll be okay. No. So we've inserted the battery, well, I've inserted the battery myself, and I've restarted the computer, and the computer didn't boot up. I've restarted, I've reset it, I removed the battery, I've shorted the connector for clear CMOS, still the same. So I said, okay, remove the board, we will do it, we will test it from now on outside, because it's pointless to put it always back together and then have the hassle. So he said, okay, so he removed that, we placed the BIOS again, it couldn't read through the adapter, so I took one of the boards, like, where's the board? Here, oh, I've used one small board, because I've got those PCBs with different SOP packagings, yes, and I just soldered those pins as well from Arduino. I've got Arduino project like bag of goodies, yes, so I took those pins out from there and I've soldered BIOS here, SOP8, and again it powered on from the output, yes, what was generated by that software which we've got on subscription. So now the question is, okay, one, does it need the second BIOS to validate and then it will work? Two, if it doesn't require the additional BIOS, like a backup BIOS, why when it failed first time it couldn't load from the second BIOS, the backup BIOS, BIOS B, yes, because M, the main, didn't load. Okay, that failed, so that should load automatically the backup BIOS. Well, clearly it didn't. So now I've got this second chip here. I'll try to load it on SFOT4, read from it, verify the data, save the data in the folder, fix it again with the same software, the backup BIOS, fix it, and then have the output file. Then I will try to compare those two BIOSes, the M main one with the B backup one. If the data will be different, then I won't be sure because that's the backup. Will it copy one-to-one as a clone, or will it do some other magic with it? I don't know. But I'll try to then install, maybe I was thinking maybe I will upload the file onto the backup file from the main one, if they will be different, not the same, and I will install the backup as the main one and try to repeat the process. That's my way of doing things. But But you tell me, guys, you know, I wanted to record this short video for you. What would you do in this case? Because I've got literally no idea. That's what I will do. And if it will work, there will be no part 2. Okay, in future videos I'll tell you what have happened and if it was working or not, but I won't designate special video. If there will be further complications, I will create a part 2 for this video, so that you will be able to check. If you will see part 1 for this video, after some time you'll know that the things have developed and there will be part 2. For now, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and those who would like to run their own electronics repair shop, you can get in touch through Inte.Team. Inte stands for integrity, Inte.Team. Details are underneath each video, and we can help you run your own business. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.